Friend and colleague, yeah.
He's a colleague. Sorry. Baby, you can't do this. Wait. You can't do this in your condition.
You're calling me a liar. Let me show you. Let me come inside.
Hey. Hey, what? Jesus Christ. Who brought you here? She's a friend.
I don't understand. Friend? What kind of friend?
She's a friend, a colleague.
This is not why you're coming here with the same person.
Who is giving you this information? I don't get
What do you explain?
Explain what?
Explain.
What is
Who is she?
She's a friend.
Friend and colleague. What is that? Friend and colleague.
She's a colleague.
Friend and colleague, yeah.
She's a colleague. Sorry. Baby, you can't do this. Wait. You can't do this in your condition. You can't stop. She's a colleague. Stop.
Friend and colleague.
What is that?
I don't even know what. You don't know what. You don't know. Colleague. Colleague. What are you talking about?
She's the one I organized to do your baby shower. Baby,
let me hear you.
Baby, I planned the baby shower, right? I planned the baby shower for you.
In a hotel. Baby shower, cheap baby shower. Does she look like? Even if in a bar.
Does
she look like? Does she look like?
I can show you.
We're talking about this house. Hey, madam, hold on.
What is wrong with you?
What am I hearing? What
Let me explain.
What is he saying?
I'm sorry.
See the person. Can I see what they're talking about? These are the fights for the baby. See the person. Oh my God.
Hold on.
The woman here.
See,
does she look like a
I wanted to show you.
Don't touch me.
Okay. I want to show you what happened earlier today. The baby shower.
What baby shower?
No baby shower. That's
what I know about.
You don't know about it, but that is why I employed Cassie. I can show you what happened earlier between me and NK.
I want to.
Okay. Let me show you so that you stop all this problem.
Let me see.
I will show you. I will show you. I don't know what's wrong with it. Look at.
Baby.
Stop.
What is it now?
NK, I've told you.
So why did you call me?
You could have started with that.
Why did you call me, please? I don't have all day.
Okay. I called you for your friend in regards to your friend.
Which of my friend?
I'm planning your friend. My wife, of course.
So what has your wife got to do with all of this?
Oh, okay. I was planning a baby shower for her and I wanted to make it a surprise. So I said, let me include you in the planning process.
Are you freaking kidding me? Like I should plan baby shower for Precious?
But she's our best friend for crying out loud.
So what? Don't you see that? Don't you see that I love you?
It can't work. I'm married.
It's you that I love.
I can't.
met you before, Precious. Why
NK,
why
stop.
can't you understand that I love you?
I know you do. NK, stop.
Please.
Stop. Your friend, if your friend gets to know this, it will destroy my marriage. And you know this for a fact.
Oh my God.
Don't destroy my marriage. Don't destroy my marriage, NK.
Oh my God.
It's in the past.
So it's a bad thing to love you, right?
But it was in the past. It was all in the past.
In the past, you got over it, but I'm not over it.
And so?
Baby, I'm not.
I can't, NK. I can't. I can't do
Then
this.
get out, go and plan your baby shower by yourself.
NK. That is the reason why.
NK, you slept. Madam, come closer. What is it? Come closer.
That's your friend.
Don't listen. What is it? Let me see what you're showing her.
Look at. Oh, you didn't know I had the video, right? You didn't know, right? This is a video. This is a video of you. This is a video of you coming up to me. So why would you fight it, Cassie?
Madam,
Because I
hold on. You see how it happened? That's what you should do. Hello.
You should ask her because she knows.
You call me your friend and you come here to do this? Really? Baby,
it's all your fault.
I can't deal, please.
It's all your fault.
Hey, I can't like that.
You're not sure sometimes you pretend to do it.
Are you serious? This is how you want to spin this matter.
You are the problem here.
You want to spin this matter like this? You want to spin this matter like this? That's how you want to spin this matter. And you? Really? I told you that if I cannot have you, you will not have peace. You're not a good friend. You will not have peace, Joshua. If I cannot have you, you will have no peace. You're not saying this in front of me.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
You are still saying this in front of me. I met Josh before you. I met Josh. It's okay. Take me home. It's okay.
I will.
Take me home.
I will.
And you.
Sorry.
I shower event plaza.
You can't leave here.
I shower event plaza. Okay, that's what you have.